My name is Marco Barotti. I'm a Berlin-based media artist. I design data-driven kinetic sound sculptures that resemble animals and plants and deal with environmental and social issues. Together with the scientists of BIFOLD, I developed a new work called CORALS, and the project aims to create awareness about the climate crisis, the ocean conditions, and the threats and dangers the corals are facing because of us.
An artist in residence program allows to have arts and the sciences interact in a way that we can not only feel AI from the intellectual and mathematical and nerdy perspective, but also we can sense it and we can interact with it. So the art of entanglement is really an embodiment of this idea.
Kunst der Verschränkung, or Art of Entanglement, aims at opening up new perspectives and unexpected forms of engagement with big data and machine learning by inviting artists into cutting-edge scientific research environment at BIFOLD. Marco Barotti's proposals convinced the jury because his project CORALS smartly brings together critical engagement with data, effective use of technology, environmental impact of human activity, and a cultural dimension.
The main goal for Art and Entanglement was to develop the installation coral and at the same time to open a dialogue with the scientists on how AI and art can actually be merged together for the future of my work.
We gave some ideas how our methods in machine learning work and how artificial intelligence actually works. But then we also had a few ideas of how these methods and approaches could actually be used in artistic ways.
I believe that by putting science in dialogue with art, we are able to discuss critical topics in a more tangible, human and emotional way.
During this cooperation, I actually learned that this artistic process and this scientific process that we have are actually quite similar because we both work towards deadlines and try to come up with ideas for certain calls of certain categories.
What came out of this artist in residency was the possibility to exchange on AI and machine learning, and so creating this knowledge and content will bring the audience closer to the topic that we are talking about.